Hello friends, welcome back to the tutorial HTML for beginners. In this session, we will learn about HTML tags, title, heading and paragraph. So let's begin. The first topic is HTML tags. HTML tags are of two types. First one, pair tags. Pair tags are the tags which needs to be closed using the backslash. For example, the first body tag has opening tags and after the content there is closing tag. And the second type of tags is singular tags. Singular tags are basically those tags which do not need to have closing tags like the body tag has, which does not have compulsory to have the closing tag. Like example, BR tag or HR tag. BR tag is for breaking the line and HR tag is for horizontal rule. The title tag. In the title tag, we write the desired title that we want to display on the tab bar on our browser. For example, you can look here. The title that I have written inside the title tag is shown here on the tab bar just above the URL bar. You can see it. Now the headings. The heading tags are used for the heading part of any content. Basically, headings are of 6 types. They differ on the font size: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. The H1 has the highest font size or the greatest, H2 the second largest, H3 the third largest, and similarly H6 has the smallest font size. These headings are used accordingly on different types of headings, like on the newspaper headings or anywhere we can use it, but we use it only for the headings. Now the paragraph tag. The paragraph tag, this P tag, is a paired tag which is used to write a block of content in it in a separate paragraph. It means that if we want to write a block of content separately from the other text, then we use the paragraph tag. It gives a block of space or new paragraph for every content you write inside it. Now we will look all the examples on the text editor in VS Code. Okay, now let's code on our text editor. Let's begin. HTML. Inside the HTML, we'll write head tag, and we write the title tag inside the head tag title. I'll give the title as Shriyans coding. And now let's do the heading tags on the body tag. Inside the body tag, and let's do the heading tags. H1, I'll give it as the heading, and next H2, the heading, I'll give a space here, and H3 the heading, H4 the heading, similarly H5 the heading, and the last H6 the heading. Now let's see the output on our browser. Let's refresh the browser. Now you can see the title that I have written is here on the tab as I've already told, and the output of the headings has different font size as I previously told you. Now let's look for the paragraph tag. Okay, firstly, I'll show without a paragraph tag. If you write something, the name of my channel is Shriyans, and if and and when you go to these are two separate lines. Now you can look the output, refresh. You see, although it is on the two separate lines, but it is showing on in the same line. Now if you keep a paragraph tag here, just surrounding the content, paragraph tag here, and copy this inside the paragraph tag, and let's do this in next tag, p tag. Now let's copy this here. Shriyans. Now let's look the output. Now you can see they are on this separate paragraph. This shows that the paragraph separates them from. You can see that the two paragraphs are on two different paragraphs. The name of my channel and Shriyans are on two different paragraphs, which shows that the paragraph tag differs them into two different paragraphs. Now I hope you have understood about the paragraph tag. For today we'll stop our video here, and we'll continue further topics on the next session. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon.